Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Hunting Technologies and Hydroblast Manufacturing, and today we're going to be taking a look at a microscopic view of hydroblasting. Now, it's not really meant to give you any kind of surface finish on those parts. It's just meant to remove greases and oils. So we're going to take a look on the microscope and show you that there is really no difference in surface finishing that you're going to get when you use one of our Hydroblast high pressure parts washing machines. After our hydroblast of our metal sample, now we did aluminum, we sandblasted it first in a 120 aluminum oxide. The finish before was about a 1.72 RA value. It's still around that area afterwards at 1.63. So you can see that hydroblasting does not give any kind of surface enhancements or surface finishes. It is just meant for degreasing and getting oil off of parts. That is what it's best at with the high pressure aqueous-based detergent and the heat that comes along with the machine. Now, what you can do is use it as more of an after post-process for your vapor honing machine, or you can use it as a pre-process as well. So post-process, you can get embedded material out of these parts if you're working with more of a sandblast setup. Now, pre-process, you can get greases, oils, stuff like that off of your pieces before they go into a sandblast or a vapor honing machine, just to really preserve your abrasive or keep systems clean. Now, if you guys have any questions, all of that information is going to be in the description below. And if you guys would like us to test your parts, we do have free application testing. You can send us your parts. We'll test them. We'll figure out what systems, what abrasives are the best fit for your needs. Give us a call here. We're always happy to do that. Our number is 828-202-5563.